but there's no confirmed report yet.
Union Minister of State for Skill Development and Entrepreneurship Rajeev Chandrasekhar today paid floral tribute to the statue of Swami Vivekananda on his birth anniversary. The minister asserted the opportunities in New India are unprecedented. Speaking on the occasion of the National Youth Day celebration at Ramakrishna Mission Shillong today, Chandrasekhar said in all India, opportunities of growth and prosperity were restricted to only rich and those connected with politicians. But in New India, 80,000 youths have created startups and 105 young Indians have created more than billion-dollar startups. He also stated that India is a great country, but politics earlier had killed aspiration, innovations and dreams.
80,000 young Indians have created startups. More than 105 of those young Indians have created more than billion-dollar startups, unicorns. So the opportunities today are unprecedented for a young Indian, whether you are in Shillong, whether you are in Kohima, whether you are in Badgam, Jammu and Kashmir, whether you are in Talasheri, Kerala, or you are in Rajkot, Gujarat. The opportunities to succeed are never before and unprecedented.